Putting news first. This is BBC World.
Asians are known for their love of shopping. The retail industry accounts for a major part of the regional economy, but store owners are lagging behind their Western counterparts in enticing customers with music and scent. But is brand atmospherics enough to draw in thrifty Asian shoppers? The BBC's Juliana Liu finds out.
Walking into a store to make a purchase should be a pleasant experience. And some shops, like this home appliances retailer, are actually hardwiring themselves to appeal to your subconscious. But the snappy music and soothing smells make you want to spend more. The store owner certainly hopes so. They've installed this system to pipe a concentrated fragrance through the air conditioning throughout the store. The effect is meant to be clean and green, so that customers will stay longer and buy more.
In the electrical department,
Simon Faure-Field is the man behind the smell.
A fragrance that's very fresh, revitalising, and it made a bit of a statement that how Courts are differentiating themselves from others. So we wanted that statement to be quite clear, and fragrance seemed the best way to express it to customers. We can use fragrancing as another way to make a place smell more attractive, make people feel more comfortable, and that again will mean they'll spend more time and spend more money. And on top of that, it helps build brand loyalty.
Loyalty from little bottles. He shows me a range of scents, including one reserved for exclusive use by the Shangri-La chain of hotels. And that's not all. Even the music is especially programmed. So why would a company spend a few $1,000s to pipe scent and music?
It's more of the customer experience more than anything else. It's a totally different, revolutionary kind of thing that we're trying out. Not only sight, sound, but sense as well, sense of smell. So it puts you in the right mood, puts you in the right rhythm.
Hopefully, the rhythm to buy. In the electronics section, most customers are blissfully unaware of all the subtle additions to their shopping experience.
I used to come here, but I haven't been here for a long time. They have revamped the place. It is now looking very nice. And now that you mention it, yes, I think that the smell does matter. They have cleaned up the place, so image is very important too. But of course, the bottom line for me, all right, I'm a thrifty customer. Yes, I would think the price matters. Yeah, because at the end of the day, I'm not going to bring this aroma home.
Smart shopper indeed. And that was the BBC's Juliana Liu.